Contracts. Every creative, every artist, graphic designer, whatever needs a contract customized to their business. So there's a few ways you can get this. One, there's templates on Google you can find, or I would recommend finding a lawyer, paying them out of your pocket. I don't know how much they would charge you. I have friends that have done it for me for the free. Shout out to them. What they would do is they would create you a custom contract where you just fill in the services and everything like that. It's just that they create you a template that protects your business on all fronts and backs. That way, when you send it off, you are protected, you are covered, you are good to go. When I'm creating contracts, I use HelloSign. HelloSign is a great platform. It allows for you to edit and it allows for them to sign it via the website. That way you can send it back and forth. If you have any changes, you can change it. I usually change my template in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, which Google Docs is free, and then they can send it off. And that way, after they do that, I have a copy on my hard drive, on my Dropbox, on my external hard drive, and I have another copy on a jump drive. Now, why do I do that? Because I'm crazy. I got 4 copies, and I do that because I want to stay protected at all times. People change. You don't know these people. And I've had people try to change the terms and services over time. I'm like, no, I got it here. And if you got a problem, we can go to court because I am well protected. And as artists, you need to do the same. I've been played before. I created a mixtape cover for an artist back in 2013. They blocked me. They used my didn't get no credit, and I didn't have proof because they didn't pay me. So that taught me a valuable lesson. And I've also had people steal my artwork over time, but I've learned that there's ways around everything. You need to protect yourself. You need to cover your own back because this is business, this is cutthroat, and people will cheat and they will lie and they will steal any way they possibly can.